at Fenway Park here in Boston on a chilly but comfortable Wednesday afternoon as we get ready for the Beanpot Consolation game between UMass and Northeastern.
When you think of playing baseball as a kid growing up in Massachusetts, like so many of these kids on both rosters did, this is where you dream of playing.
Payoff pitch, it's lined, one hopped into left field. Good piece of hitting by John Avalone. Called strike three on the outside corner. It's a third strikeout for Casey Ahmed, and he's retired 7 in a row. Runner going, pitch outside, throw. It's a rundown. Heading back to first, Kiesel. It is tagged before Madigan could make it across. Driscoll comes home. It's hammered center field. Coppins going back. Turns, makes the catch. Kessinger tags from third. He's in easily. Morris into third on a successful sacrifice fly for Matt Baer. Manufactured inning. First pitch swinging. Gianellis skies it left field. Madigan going back at the track. Ball bangs off the wall, and UMass leads. Avalone and Robinson score. Levers heading home, and he's in. A bases clearing double. UMass sends 11 batters to the plate and scores 6 runs, capped by a bases clearing 3 RBI double for Mike Gianellis. Finish things off. Solomon hits it sharply to right center field on the run. Kessinger will catch it. Faces 6 batters in the 6th and the 7th. Retires all of them, in UMass with a victory here in the Beanpot.